Welcome everybody. Today we are going to make paneer the traditional way. Do I know how to make paneer? No, I don't. But Navroop's going to show me.
So Terry asked me how he's our guest today, and he asked me how to make paneer. I said it's so easy, you can make it in 15 minutes. So let's get started, and Terry is going to make paneer for me, and then we'll have our lunch. So we are going to start with 2 liters of milk, fresh milk. Just pour it over here. No, this is milk. That is buttermilk.
Oh, that's buttermilk.
Yeah, that will do later on. Okay. So first pour into
2 liters of milk.
Yeah. And now you can place this to a clay oven. So this is all going natural. So that's our clay oven. We call it chula.
Do you bring that to a boiling point?
Yeah, to the boiling point, and then we will add this buttermilk into it. That's it. The milk is almost boiling, and so now we'll be adding some buttermilk to it. Yeah, half of it. That's it. And then you hold this with the cloth and put it down. Both sides. Yeah, there we. Yeah. So keep moving, and now you can add more buttermilk. Keep moving. Yeah, not that much. Okay, done. See, you can see now.
Yes, it's good. It's curdling. So we have cheesecloth here.
Yeah.
This is going to strain. We're going to strain it through the cheesecloth. Okay.
Be careful. Yeah.
That's it.
So that's all you have to do. And now we're going to put it over here for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Leaving this for 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll have to put some weight on it, and the water will be drained and your paneer will be ready. There you go. So after 10 minutes we'll have to remove the weight, and I guess the paneer is ready. It has no water left in. Just open and show that. So the water is drained and the paneer is ready. It took only 10 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that.
And come on now, let's try frying it on a clay oven.
We're going to chop it here.
Yeah. So now we're going to make it fry on tawa, and we're going to see how does it taste. So Terry is working very hard. He has a good experience.
We're going to cut up the paneer.
Cut it. Yeah. So you can even make smaller piece if you want, but if you want this size, that's fine.
And straight onto the fire now.
Yeah.
And for a little bit, we have some condiments.
Yeah.
A little bit of salt.
So you can put salt according to your taste, and red chili if you want.
Sure. A little bit of red chili.
Yeah.
And this one.
You can put it in ghee. Yeah, at the bottom. Yeah. You can.
That looks beautiful.
it's burning.
Burning. Yeah. So quickly.
Yeah. That one is just a little well done, right?
Well done is good.
Yeah, that's okay. So there you go, it's ready so fast. I think it took only 1 minute though.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can reach it. These are all organic, homegrown, and you know, the good food. And this is also, Terry, we were talking about the living standard of our has gone so low, and the eating habits have also gone so low that we are like inviting all kind of disease that come on, and you know, we are in a trap. So that's all, it's all our fault. So it's it's really important that what you are eating and how it's made, you should know. And the best thing if you can do is, if you can cook your food own by yourself and you can grow, that would be like, you know, that we are so lucky that we have got our land. We can grow whatever we want, and we should do. So even like, you know, these days, even people, if they don't have a land, they can grow on the terrace. There are so many ways you can grow in the pots. And how much do we need? We need very less. So whatever we have, we can do for ourselves.
So essentially here, it's come from the field or the animals straight to the kitchen, and then we eat it. And that's as healthy and as pure as it can be. And that's so good for our bodies. It's such a healthy way to live.
There you go.
Perfect. Homemade, home-cooked paneer.
And the well done one is done by Terry.
Slightly overcooked
Yeah,
paneer.
overcooked.
Oh, my goodness, that is so good. I actually like it crunchy on the outside.
Yeah.
Crunchy, but it's so soft and flavorful inside. That's beautiful. We did well today.
Yeah.
Good work today.
Okay.
Navroop, thank you so much for showing me around your farm. I've really enjoyed my stay. I can highly recommend this place. And also just to check out Navroop's YouTube channel, which is Sustainable Living with Navroop Singh. Right, that's correct.